So from the driver's seat, I just drove a Buick Enclave with a 3.6 and a 9-speed automatic. Doesn't really drive as smooth to me, it feels like, but still really good overall driving dynamics. And a lot of that might have to do with just how luxurious the Enclave felt, having the leather seats, leather wrapped steering wheel. Of course, you have that softer suspension in an Enclave. But like I said, this is the cheapest version that you can get in terms of a 3-row SUV of this size from GM. And so far, I'm pretty impressed. Just overall, like I said, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Those are the kind of features that the people want. You know, tire noise and all that, it matters, but not as much as having those technology features. And highway mileage is decent. Feel like it could be better, but this is a bigger SUV, so I'll give them a little slack on that. But I think you're rated to get 27 on the highway. We're getting about that. But overall, in terms of how the car drives, it's very good. Don't feel a lot of understeer, oversteer in the steering wheel. Brake pedal feels good. It goes with a vehicle this size, and the V6 is, you know, decent acceleration, especially for something that doesn't have a turbo on it. Give it some throttle here. Yeah, pretty good pickup. And what I will say is, this is just really good transportation for someone who is wanting a new vehicle, something that's been known to be pretty reliable and just has tons of space, but can keep you below 45 grand. And honestly, a vehicle like this, if I was wanting to do Turo or something along those lines where I wanted to rent my vehicle out, this is something that a lot of people don't necessarily need until they need it. And that's where you could make some money doing that, especially on vacations. If you want to use one car, but you have 6 adults that are around 6 feet tall, a vehicle like this is not a minivan, but it has that kind of space for your passengers. And especially if you just have 5 people, you can fit everybody in the car, and then if everybody has a ton of luggage with that 3rd row down, you can fit all that in there as well.